Hello, children. Today we are learning about the rules of the computer lab. Before we start, I'd like to introduce you to the subject. CE stands for Computer Education. It has two parts: theory, that is written work, and practical, that is lab work. In order to work in the lab, it is important to be accustomed to its rules. On this note, let us start today's lesson. Be respectful. Always treat the lab equipment and your teacher and classmates the way you would want your belongings and yourself to be treated. Keep the lab clean. You cannot carry food items or drink inside the lab. You have to keep your shoes outside or in your class. You should carry your belongings back and leave the lab as you found it. Put the chairs back in place once you finish class. Maintain discipline. Enter the lab quietly in a line. Work quietly and stay in your place. Raise your hand to speak. Sit at your own computer. Hands off during instruction. Hands to your own computer. Remember, the lab is for learning. Even though it is not your classroom, the rules of your class apply to the lab as well. You cannot run in the lab nor touch wires and equipment. Listen and follow the directions given by your teacher. While at work, inform your teacher when a computer is not working. Do not rename, delete, add, or remove anything from the computer unless your teacher tells you so. Do not switch off the computer after use. Think and answer. Can you enter the lab by yourself? Before leaving the lab, what should be done? Is the lab a classroom? How is it similar or different from a class? Why is it important not to do the work for your friend or partner? Why is it important to keep the lab clean? Here are some possible solutions. No, you cannot enter the lab by yourself. You should make sure it is clean and keep the chairs back in place before you leave the lab. The lab is not a classroom, but it is still a class. So you should maintain the rules of the lab. Doing the work for a friend is not helping him or her. They have to learn for themselves. A clean lab would keep the computer working for longer, and it is also a better environment for learning. Let us revise. We must be respectful to our teachers and friends. We must keep the lab clean. We should always maintain discipline in the lab. We cannot play and touch things without permission in the lab. We cannot make any changes in the computer settings. Lab work is only fun if we follow the rules properly. Here are some activities that you can try. Draw and label the sense organs you use while working on a computer. Write any two rules that you have to follow both in your own home and in the computer lab. Conduct a survey on the amount of time spent in front of a screen by each of your family members. You can use interview and observation methods. Make a table to differentiate the do's and don'ts of the lab. Remember, you do not need to do the activities all together. You can take your time and conduct how many of the activities you want and also share your responses with us. I hope that by the end of this lesson, the students will be able to understand and follow the rules of the computer lab, realize the importance of the rules in our daily lives, and become more disciplined. Make a table to distinguish do's from don'ts. Draw the sense organs used by us while working on the computer. Conduct a survey on the computer usage in their own homes. Compare the rules followed at home with those in the lab. Thank you, children. I hope you enjoyed your first computer lesson for this session.